How to fix highlights not working on Instagram. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open settings. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, click on search button on top right corner of your screen. And then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Simply search apps. And then you'll find apps and notification. Click on apps and notification and you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, simply search for Instagram. Click on Instagram, force stop the app, and then go to storage and cache, which is the third option. Clear cache and clear storage. After you've done that, simply restart your device and your problem will be fixed. This is how to fix highlights not working on Instagram. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.